Hi, I'm Connor.
And I'm Dana.
We're here at the Castle Rock Trailhead in Big Bear Lake, California, and we're about to go for a hike.
Well, we're a little more than 3/10 into the Castle Rock hike, and it's all uphill so far. It's been pretty steep. The condition of the trail is good. It's a well-traveled trail, so the path is really worn and it's well marked.
So this trail is super popular, and if you are planning on going on it, just keep that in mind. You're going to see a lot of other people.
It's a part of the San Bernardino National Forest, and so dogs are permitted. So you will also encounter a lot of people hiking with their dogs. Some will be on leash, some will be off leash, so just be aware.
The Castle Rock Trail is very well marked with either blue paint on the trees, or the little strips of spray paint, or with trail signs with arrows pointing in the direction of the trail. So keep an eye out for those if you're feeling like you don't know where you're going, because they are pretty common and easy to see. So we've reached a point in the trail where we're not sure if we should follow the blue markers, which seem to lead on a less well-traveled path, or go left and follow what appears to be a much more well-established path. It does seem like at the top of the trail there's so much foot traffic that there are lots of options that people have forged on the way up to the top. So what we did was talk to some hikers that were coming down, and they said that you could actually sort of pick and choose which way you wanted to go, that they all sort of led to the same path. I almost hit it with the camera.
Well, we've made it to Castle Rock. It's a pretty steep uphill climb all the way here. It's 3/4 of a mile to this sign right here. And the rock formations are pretty obvious once you get close. You're like, oh, that's a pretty impressive rock formation. I bet that's Castle Rock. And you'd be right.
This seems like a great short walk to do with family, sort of as just a morning option, because it's short. It does get you uphill really fast, so it's a little bit difficult, but not too long, and you get up to see some really cool rock formations along with some cool views.
I don't see a marker, but this looks pretty well worn.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Woo! Didn't use my hand.
Nice job, Whitey.
So brave. So when hiking on a busy trail, be aware that there is some trail etiquette. If you're hiking downhill and you encounter a group hiking uphill, it's courteous for the downhill hikers to yield to the uphill. Oftentimes the uphill hikers are going to appreciate a break and they'll probably stop and let you pass by. But just be aware that when you encounter other groups, if the trail is narrow, you're going to have to coordinate who goes and who waits. Be sure to you know, say hi and be friendly, ask about how their day is going, and maybe ask a little bit about their experience on the trail. They might be able to help you, which we needed.
Yes. Also, if you're coming down or have already done part of the trail, you can help them out with telling them how far they have to go, what to expect on the way,
etc.
etc.
So we made it back to the trailhead, and the total distance that we hiked was 1.4 miles, and the elevation gain was around 580 feet of elevation change. There's a lot of exploring that you can do up at Castle Rock though, so your distances and the amount of time that you spend on this hike can vary.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing.
Thank you.
Thank you.